carrying on with graphs, there are two very, very important concepts that you should know. If you have a graph, if this is y equal to some function of x, and you want to find out what is the slope of this graph at this point, let's call it point A. This point we'll call point B, and this point we'll call point C. The slope of this graph at point A will be given by dy by dx. Now, what is this? It is the differentiation of this function with respect to x. You will learn this in calculus. So, two very critical things for you in physics is going to be an understanding of calculus from the start. Calculus would be taught to you in mathematics in class 12th, but physics requires you to know calculus from the very start. Okay, so what it is, we'll do it when we start class 11th topics. But first, just to let you know, differentiation is a process of finding out slope of a graph. You just remember that. Yeah. Similarly, if we have a graph, another graph, let's say y equal to f of x. This is a different graph, okay? Different graph than this. So if we have this graph, it goes like this. And we have to find out this area. This area can be found out by a process. The process is called integration. In fact, it's called definite integration. The process or the symbol looks like this. You have to integrate the function. This is the symbol of integration. Write f of x with respect to x. So, small change in x. This thing, if you put the limits properly from a to b, will give you the area under the graph. So two things we quickly learned. If we have a graph, we can find out its slope by a process known as differentiation. And if we have a graph and we want to find out the area under a graph enclosed within any two limits, here it's a and b, you can take some c and d also. If you have to find the area under this graph, you follow a process known as definite integration. Okay, just know this much. How to do it? The process we'll learn in class 11.